Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Primrose, Wednesday, April 8th. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our calendar today. So we are still in the month of April. So what is today? If yesterday was 7, what is today? That's right, it's 8. Let's see, where's my 8? Is this 8? No, that's 18. How about this one? Nope, that's 28. Maybe, is this it? Yep, you're right. This is our 8, so we're going to put it right here. What day of the week is it today? Wednesday. Let's work on our days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wonderful. Let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's try our months. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great job, everybody. All right, let's take a look at our weather bear, Benjamin. Come here, Benjamin. All right, so what season are we in? Are we in winter? No. Fall? Nope. Summer? Not yet. How about spring? Yep, we're in spring. So let's take these other ones off. We won't need these today. And we'll move our spring right there. So it's been really nice. So let's give Benjamin today, in the hopes that it's still really nice all day, a t-shirt, some pants. Let's give him some sunglasses because we're hoping it's sunny all day long. And some nice sneakers. There we go. And a ball, because with as nice as it's been, we're gonna go play in the backyard today. All right, get some outside exercise. Thank you so much, Benjamin. All right, let's practice our numbers one time today, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, everybody. All right, can you hang on to these for me? Thank you, Og. All right, let's start with our plan for the day. All right, so today you're gonna do your journal writing. We're gonna work on week 2, and it's the 3rd day in the week, so we wanna make sure we're turning to page 3. Okay, spelling practice. Don't forget to pull out your spelling words and your sight words and practice some of those. You can do them in the rainbow like we've done before, or you can write them 3 or 4 times each, but have fun with it, but make sure you're practicing all your sight words that we're doing this month. And phonics review. For those of you that feel like you need it, don't forget to take a look at the phonics video and do a review. Math, we're gonna compare groups of 10. So there's a math page we're gonna do in our math journals. So you need your math journals today. Project time, our environmental footprint is what we're working on all week. So we're gonna do some work with reduce, reuse, recycle, and refuse. So the 4 R's today. And videos. Don't forget there's now a thumbs up video available. You can do it inside on a rainy day or watch it through it and do the same thing outside in your backyard to get your heart rate up to where you can barely talk. You want to be feeling like that because you want your heart rate up. Make sure you get some exercise. So those videos are now available. The Dragon in the Sea. We also have the Dragon in the Sea chapters available, so make sure you're looking for that. Read along with Emmy, and Teacher John will be doing the reading. All right? So don't forget about your homework, your reading logs. Each week, each day, you're going to record your time that you're trying to read with Mom and Dad, okay? You can even read to Grandma and Grandpa over the phone. I'm sure they would love that. All right, your literacy journals today. Page 3. We're in week 2, so make sure it says week 2 across your journal, and your name is on it for when you go to turn it in. Past and present is what we're working on this week. So we've done some books, what we did in the beginning, what they did in the present. So past and present. The beginning, or when they first did something, is past. the now, the here, what's going on right now is the present. So past and present. So today, I want you to talk to mom or dad, or maybe grandma and grandpa over the phone, but you're going to talk to somebody today in your family and find out what they've done in the past that they now do different in the present. So something they did in the past that they now do in the present. Remember, my example this week has always been the bike riding. In the past, I rode my bike with training wheels. In the present, which is now, I ride my bike without training wheels. So I want you to write 2 sentences about what mom, dad, grandparents, or the family member did in the past that they now do different in the present. You may write more than 2 sentences, but I want to see at least 2 sentences in your journal this week, okay? So today, we're going to read Frog and Friends. I know many of you really like this book, so we're going to go ahead and read it today. And then we'll get started with math and science. All right. Frog goes up, up, up is our first chapter. So we'll read chapter 1 today, chapter 2 tomorrow, and chapter 3 on Friday. Here we go. Frog goes up, up, up. The wind made ripples on Frog's pond. When he woke up from his sleep, he saw something floating in the water. Something he had never seen before. It was big, big. It was orange. Had a tail. Frog called his friends. Come see, there's a thing in my pond. It does not talk. It does not move. It just lies there on the water. I think it's a big egg. Maybe a hippopotamus egg, Rabbit said. We do not have any hippopotamuses here, Frog told her. I think it's a big, big bubble, Possum said. Frog shook his head. Who ever heard of an orange bubble? I think it's a humongous seed, Raccoon said. I think it's a thing with a long, ugly, skinny tail, Squirrel said. Frog swam closer. Pull its long, ugly, skinny tail, Squirrel said. Then see what happens. Do not, Possum advised. It might do something bad. Be brave, Squirrel urged. Frog swam closer. He took a hold of Thing's tail. Just then the wind came up strong. It skidded Thing across the pond. Suddenly, Thing rose up, up, up. Let go of the tail, Rabbit called. But Frog was too far above the pond. He was scared to let go. Rabbit ran for the long, ugly, skinny tail and caught it. He swung behind Frog. They went up, up, up. Then Squirrel ran and swung behind Rabbit. Then Possum. Thing began to sink down, down, down. Possum's feet were on the ground, then Squirrel's, then Rabbit, then Frog's. They fell in a froggy, rabbity, squirrely, possumy heap. Thing started to rise again. It bumped into the oak tree and bang! It was the loudest bang in the world. Drifting down from the oak tree were little pieces of Thing. We killed it, Frog moaned. Oh, that is so sad. We will have a funeral, Rabbit said. A nice one, to show we are sorry, Frog added. They dug a small hole under the oak tree and buried all the little bits of Thing. Then they held pause and sang a sorry song. I wonder what Thing was, Rabbit asked. Frog shook his head. I suppose we will never know. All right, tomorrow we'll read chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2 is Froggy's Pretty Blue Scarf. So we'll read that tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the other 2 videos that go along with this, comparing groups of 10 for your mathematics, and reduce, reuse, recycle, and refuse for your science today. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.